Okay, so we're here on the 3rd floor, and this is the suite room with balcony. So we have one balcony behind here that faces out to the street, and then a smaller balcony on the side here that faces the lobby and has a view of the upstairs swimming pool. Okay, so when you enter in the room, you've got a small storage bay for your bags and things, and then the fridge and tea and coffee section. There's a small safe for your belongings, heaps of storage with extra cupboards on the side behind the mirror sliders, and then a nice large queen size bed and a very large space to stretch out on where we've got a little couch and TV. Then a desk sort of area, smaller balcony as you can see that looks out to where the swimming pool is in the lobby. This balcony is the larger balcony. You can see a little bit of what's outside. It's nicely screened by some trees and things, and then you've got a little egg moon chair thingy. And then let's go have a look at the bathroom. So in here we have the double sinks and the toiletries provided. Nice big shower, which was good. Everything was pretty simple and standard. We had a nice big mirror here and a hairdryer provided, and yeah, overall pretty good. So if you want to see more of our time here in Kuta, check out our other FanBam channel for our Bali vlogs. And if you have any questions about our stay here at the Mercure Bali Legian, just leave them in the comments below.